Nurj Bridal is a distinctive, gorgeous, and handcrafted assortment of European wedding dresses. They offer exquisite handcrafted wedding gowns from top European designers, and they provide their clients with the ability to purchase European couture wedding dresses online, anywhere in the world. It's obvious why any bride-to-be should choose Nurj Bridal as her wedding dress provider. But it wasn't simple to find them or navigate through their website to see the variety of dresses that they offer. So what they did, they contacted us to develop a website that accurately represents their clothes and eloquently conveys their individuality. We took on the challenge and began creating a web design strategy. We provided a highly recommended, mobile-friendly, SEO-optimized website that was created especially to meet Nurj Bridal's needs. The website was responsive to mobile devices, it loaded quickly in all browsers, and we also produced SEO-optimized content for them. We included high-quality images of the dresses to their site and highlighted even the faintest of details so that the customer would have a virtual feel. Take your brand to the next level with Prism Digital Marketing Agency.